Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, North Riverside, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide all the right long-distance moving, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us for your long-distance move, it becomes simple. We give you the right team of movers to help. No matter how far away you need to move, trust us and you'll notice a difference. An Illinois moving company provides the right help for your local move. It might seem like you don't need the help with a short move. However, you still need to pack up everything and move it to a new location. It's a big time-consuming job, but the right team of movers can handle it. When you choose 3 movers, you get a dedicated crew ready to work for you. We streamline the entire process so you can get your new location sooner. A move that you need all weekend to complete will take us just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Riverside moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.